Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today, we're drawing one of the most legendary cartoon characters of all time, Fred Flintstone from the Flintstones. If you love classic cartoons and enjoy learning to draw your favorite characters, this tutorial is perfect for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new drawing tutorial. Every week, I create easy step-by-step videos featuring cartoon characters, superheroes, anime icons, movie legends, and much more. Let's start our drawing with a light pencil sketch. Always use soft strokes in the beginning because it makes corrections much easier. We first draw a simple shape for Fred's head. His face is large, rounded, and instantly recognizable thanks to his big nose and cheerful smile. Next, let's add his eyes and eyebrows. Keep the eyes simple and expressive. His happy expression is one of the things that makes Fred such a lovable character. Now draw his signature black hair with its uneven cartoon style. Once the face is complete, we can move on to the body. Fred has a wide, stocky build, so don't make the body too slim. Sketch his shoulders and torso using smooth, confident lines. Now it's time to draw his famous prehistoric outfit. His orange tunic with black triangle spots is one of the most recognizable costumes in cartoon history. Add the jagged edges at the bottom and then draw his blue collar and necktie. Let's continue with the arms. In this pose, Fred is celebrating with one arm, raised in excitement while the other arm is bent forward. Focus on getting the pose right before adding details to the fingers. Next, draw the legs and large cartoon feet, since Fred often appears in exaggerated poses. Don't be afraid to make the feet slightly oversized. This adds personality and keeps the drawing true to the original style. Now that the full sketch is complete, we can begin outlining. Carefully trace the important lines with a darker pencil or fine liner. Clean outlines make cartoon drawings look much more professional. After finishing the line art, erase the remaining construction lines. You'll immediately notice how much cleaner the artwork becomes. Now comes the fun part, adding shading. Use light shading under the chin, beneath the arms, around the clothing folds, and under the feet. Even simple shading gives the drawing depth and makes it look more polished. Our Fred Flintstone drawing is now complete. I hope you enjoyed following this tutorial and learned some useful drawing techniques along the way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments which cartoon character you'd like to see next on the channel. Thank you so much for watching Hobbyist Artist. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, never stop drawing. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy sketching!